This biker noticed what was about to happen, so he jumped off. He is okay, but his bike is total loss. Driver made an unsafe lane change without signaling, and later she admitted that she wasn't looking. Thanks to the gear that the biker was wearing, he was okay, and the GoPro footage was later found and he won the case. This rider saw that the space was too tight and chose not to filter past the truck because it could be dangerous, but the cyclists behind them forced their way.
I'm going the same place. You're hitting me, man. Can you be careful, please? I'm going the same place. Why are you hitting me?
This biker tried to stay calm, but after being hit, tackled off the bike and choked out. He had no choice but to fight back. This biker witnessed a phone theft right in front of him. The man on the bicycle snatched the phone and tried to get away, but the rider wasn't about to let that happen and chased the robber down.
Vai lá. Pega, ladrão, caralho! Pega! Calma! É ladrão, cara! É ladrão! É ladrão, viado! Pega ele, caralho! E aí, liga pra polícia! Liga pra polícia! Liga pra polícia! Irmão, você para com esse bagulho, vai tomar no cu, caralho!
This biker learned a great lesson and he'll be back stronger than ever. This biker had a feeling that something was about to go wrong, and he was right.
Je savais. Depuis le feu là-bas, je savais qu'il allait se passer un truc comme ça. Non, attends, je regarde, c'est le pneu là, je regarde s'il y a la jante touchée ou quoi. En vrai, t'as touché que le pneu normalement. Bonsoir. Pas de soucis, ouais, en léger. Rien de bien grave. Hein. Comment ? Bientôt ça va s'envoyer. En vrai, franchement, je pense qu'il n'y a rien. Je connais, je regarde un peu la jante, mais... Ouais. Y'a pas de soucis, désolé pour les gants. Vas-y.
In a group ride, one rider crashed in the back of a Mustang after he braked hard to avoid a car in front of him.
No, keep it on. Neck could be hurt.
Don't take off his helmet. Don't.
Yeah, do not touch the helmet.
The Mustang's off. Guys, I'm gonna pray.
Did the Mustang
Lord Jesus, what's his name?
Justin.
Justin? Lord Jesus, thank you for Justin.
I'm so fucked, bro.
You're
alive, man. You're alive. You're alive.
Protect Justin at this moment, dear God. Give the people
So
who are
fucked,
going
bro.
to come and rescue
Just relax.
him.
You listen, you got the helmet on.
How the fuck am I not dead, bro? I was going like 150.
You're alive, bro. You're alive.
You're alive. That's all that matters, brother.
Oh, fuck. You're alive.
Don't move.
No. I don't know where the bike is. Did you walk or did you just end up laying here?
Bro, I don't know what the
He
fuck.
didn't move. He didn't move. He stopped here.
He stopped? Where's the bike at?
Or had a.
It's all the... Oh, shit, my bad.
It's okay. Fuck that Mustang, bro. Is it a Mustang? Yes, bro. He was trying to race it all of us.
He stopped. I don't know if it's up there or not.
I'm going up there. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, what the f happened? Yo, why'd you get the fuck over, bro? That was my fucking friend.
Brake lights.
That's my fucking...
They
I'm
had
sorry,
no brake
I'm sorry,
lights
I'm
in front
sorry.
of me.
Let me relax, Are you okay?
No. Is he okay?
He's fucking on... I don't know. He's all the way over... That's my friend, dude. I'm sorry. That's why I'm
No, it's
pissed
fine.
off.
I'm sorry. I'm worried about him. I didn't know what to do. The car in front of me had no brake lights, and they braked so
I
hard.
was just watching this shit. Like I watched it.
Did you
Okay,
see
so
the car
what
brake?
happened?
The car braked in front of him. He had to brake. Your
They
friend.
had no
Listen,
brake
you're good?
lights.
Are you good?
No,
Okay,
no. I'm worried about your friend.
It's okay, man. He's good. He's okay. He's
sorry.
conscious. It's okay, buddy. Listen. It's okay. It's okay. I promise. I'm sorry I came out to you
I
like
didn't
that.
know he was beside me. I
okay.
tried to
Come
just
here.
not hit the car in front of me.
Since it was his best friend involved, the rider was furious at first but quickly calmed down after he realized that the Mustang driver wasn't at fault.
I saw him back there. I didn't even know it was my fucking
I
friend.
tapped the car in front of me. I hit him. I don't know where they
So the
went.
car didn't... You hit the car in front of you?
I hit the car in front of me.
Oh my god. He was being a dumbass too.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm recording this for my safety. I didn't want to like pull up and like you guys were tweaking out or something.
I was just like, I was behind y'all. I was admiring all of it, dude.
Well, because I didn't even know that was my friend.
Yeah.
Like,
He passed me and I was like, dude,
I was all the way behind them.
nice ass bike, dude.
No, I mean, he's alive. He's just really fucked up. Like, his
I don't know why he
ankles.
braked.
The car in front of you?
Yeah.
Is that that's your car?
Yeah, that's my car.
Oh my
I
god.
thought he stopped. I
All right,
thought
man,
he
listen.
started to
Look,
pull
look,
over.
Look, listen, just relax, okay? You're alive, he's alive, okay? So I'm not sure if you care if I touch you, but it's just like...
No, go ahead. I
Come
don't
on,
care.
Come here. You're all right, buddy. I can feel how fucked up you are. You're sweating. You know.
I can't feel my right leg. Dude, the car in front of me braked. They had no brake lights, and I tapped them, and I tried to move out of the way, and then I just got rammed from the rear.
He's good.
He's good.
Oh my god.
Were you?
I'm gonna go talk to him because I'm gonna go with him.
We're gonna go get his dad. Come on.
Okay, let's go get his dad. Okay.
Are you a fucking moron? Fucking look.
Brick roads are really slippery. Even on sunny days, this rider gave a little more throttle and it was enough to lose control. As soon as this rider saw loose tracks, he got flashbacks of how many he had to pick up from the roads.